Hello guys, this is Nissan Pathfinder with a 4-cylinder diesel electronic engine, and it has a starting issue. It has a very hard starting and even sometimes don't start. Crank it. Crank it again. You see, engine is cranking but it's not starting. The problem with this actuator, as soon as we move this hose, you're gonna see it's gonna start. This is the turbocharger actuator. They need adjustment right here because as soon as you put the vacuum hose there, it's going to close the engine, and you see now is off. So that's the issue. Hope this video will help.